to SellerSkills. In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your Etsy account with our app. To initiate the process, go to the Listings menu. Select Manage Channels. Click the New Channel button. Or you can navigate to your profile app settings, pick the Channels tab, and add a new marketplace there. You'll be directed to the Etsy integration page. Add your account nickname and the shop name. You don't know the exact shop name? Then go to the shop manager in your Etsy channel and check it out. Read Grant Application Access and agree with the terms of use. Import listings to the app from your Etsy channel. Build products so you can see them in the inventory. You've connected your Etsy marketplace and imported listings to your inventory. You've successfully integrated your Etsy channel. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be the first to know about all updates and special offers, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.